Hey everyone, I'm Cody, and I'm the Innovative Learning Specialist and the Connect for Learning Program Manager at Royse City ISD. And as an ILS, I work with educators to make meaningful connections between technology and innovative teaching and what teachers do daily in the classroom. Now, I really strive to develop great learners by cultivating the greatness in educators. As the C4L Program Manager, my student interns, known as the Chrome Squad, and I develop training and resources for all teachers in the district, as well as support the thousands of Chromebooks used daily in our classrooms. I further expand my mission of cultivating the greatness in teachers by having presented over the past 4 years at conferences like TCA, the Chromebook and ITS Academies, and regional conferences like Revolutionizing Learning. Alright, let's switch gears and talk about a really cool Google Forms add-on called Form Publisher. I really love Google Forms. It is an amazing tool, great part of G Suite, but the one thing that bugs me from time to time is when I'm looking at long text fields in the spreadsheets that are created from a Google Form, it's really hard to kind of read those. So I love using a form add-on called Form Publisher to take those long text fields and put them in a readable format inside either a Google Doc or a slide deck. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. Let's pretend that I'm an English 2 teacher and I'm about to do a project, and I want kids to submit a project proposal that I have to approve before they can get started. So let me show you how this works. Let me create a form real quick. So I'm going to click on the add-ons button and then find Form Publisher and select Get Started. Now when it pulls up, it gives you options of go ahead and creating templates just directly based off what's in your form already. So I'm going to go ahead and select a Google Doc, but you also have the option of creating your own personalized template if you would like to do so. So then I click Next, and it's going to go ahead and automatically create a folder. Go to the next screen. By turning on Approval Workflow, what it'll do is send me an email asking me to approve their submissions, and then once it's approved, it'll let them know that's approved and they can continue on. So I'm going to click on Done, and I'm going to go ahead and try it so you can see what it looks like. So once it's submitted, I can go to Drive and click on the project proposal folder, and I can see the proposal. So I also get an email, and so once I open it up, I can see the file and see what they sent, what they submitted. I can also approve and reject it. So after looking at it, I can say that's awesome and then approve the project. It'll then send an approval back to the student, letting them know that they've done a great job. So as you can see, Form Publisher is a pretty powerful add-on that can do all kinds of amazing things inside Google Forms. I also want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video and consider me as a future Google certified trainer. See you later.